Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Mother's Ultimate Hybrid Bead Booster Car Wash. Let's take a look to see if this product fares well, especially the one I used recently, the Mother's CMX. Let's see how it compares. So we'll start with the foam cannon. So you can see it's a lot of rich foam. Really liking what I'm seeing so far. I typically like a car wash, a car shampoo that has a rich foam for sure. And taking a closer look, you can see it's pretty quite thick, so I like that. Alright, so now using the bucket wash. So again, just like a lot of rich suds and foam, so really good to apply. Again, the lubricity is really great and key here when washing the cars. For those who are newer to washing cars, just be sure you're not pressing hard with the microfiber wash mitt on the car. Just let the wash mitt and the soap car shampoo do the work. So just glide it gently, ever so gently. Using again a bucket, not only just a regular bucket, but also with a grit guard. So as you can see, it's really easy to remove. It's not sticking to the paint like some other car wash soaps. Alright, so now we're going to rinse it off and let's see how quickly or easily it rinses off. So as you can see, it does rinse off really well. Some car shampoos, car wash soaps really sometimes cling a little bit too much on the paint. But this one, definitely not the case. It really comes off easily. Yeah, as you can see, it's really great. So now we'll take a look at the beading and sheeting. Again, this has a previous ceramic wax that was applied. So as you can see, that it really helps reinforce that beading and sheeting. And here's the final result. This was a great experience to use this car wash, car shampoo. It was really, again, easy to use. Really great when it comes with the foam cannon. And the bucket wash was, again, really good, really great suds on it. So I would definitely recommend using this car shampoo, this car wash itself. So thanks again everybody for watching this video. If you haven't already, click on that like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. So thanks again everyone for watching this video. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.